Hey, what's up? I'm April, and this is Sizzling Hot from Naughty Monkey. And hot as in you're gonna look so good in it, not that it's burning my hand. It's not burning my hand. This beautiful shoe has an all-over sequined upper with a beautiful amount of patchwork in the back that has raw edges and stunning rhinestone and stud designs too to really make it pop out at you. There's even studs all down the heel too. What's cool about the sequins is that they're double-sided, so every time you mess with it or fuss with it, you can actually flip it back and forth between two colors, so it'll never look the same once, which is pretty cool. It's lined on the interior too with cushioning in the footbed and a hidden platform to make the heel feel more comfortable. So set the roof on fire, set the floor ablaze with dance moves in the Sizzling Hot, because you are going to be the spotlight.